Hey you guys, it's your girl KaylaB. You know me, and I'm coming at you with another video. Yes, another video. This is a Boxycharm unboxing. I already filmed this video, so I know everything in it. I'll tell you the prices, everything else. So let's just get into it. The theme of the month is breaking the ice. I have variation 7. Now, Boxycharm is a $25 a month subscription. It's a beauty subscription that gives you 5 full-size products over $125 worth of value. There were some spoilers, meaning this Scarlet Dusk Ace Beaute shadow palette and another shadow palette that I know I chose. I chose the Vintage Dawn palette. This is the first thing that's in here. This is $34.99. It's not worth the money. I don't know about the Vintage Dawn. That will be coming to you soon. A review on that. But the Scarlet Dust was definitely not worth the money. This is what the Scarlet Dust palette looks like after 8 weeks of use. I used that shade only like 3 times and it already hit pan that once. Those are 3 times too, but those shades are like different formulas. I did a review on this. I love the mattes in this palette. Don't get me wrong, the matte formula is amazing, but the shimmer formula is not hitting it on my account. So I really hope that the dust palette is different from that. Okay, the next product that we got is a high-end product. This is in a different packaging. It's usually in a jar packaging. This is the Avant 8-hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask. This is $107. It was a choice between this and the Glow Recipe Sleeping Mask and a spray. I really would like any of these. This is really for dry skin, but because it's for dry skin, I will use it at night. Usually I use creams and anything for dry skin at night for a nighttime moisturizer, so that's what I'm going to be using, or I just give it to my mom because my mom has dry skin. Okay, now the next thing retails for $25, and it was between this or a Too Faced highlighter. I would have liked both because I'm doing a full face of Too Faced and a full face of Pretty Vulgar next month. Speaking of full face, that will be the Becca one will be next month because, spoiler alert, I got the Becca foundation for next month. For Boxycharm. So this is the deepest shade of the Pretty Vulgar concealer, which is called Shade for Days. And this is what the packaging looks like. I kind of messed it up because I tried to open it up. It took me forever to open this thing up. This is what it looks like. This is the dofa. It has like a little shape, like it's slanted a little bit, and then this is the color. Yes, it would be like a highlighting shade, but I could get away using it as a foundation, I think. Yeah, that blended in like seamlessly. I could get away using that as a foundation. Okay, what does this say? Pretty Vulgar concealer is $25. Undercover concealer is a lightweight gel concealer that's a medium coverage. Ooh, it has vitamin E. Okay. The next 2 products, I'm like, why? Because you give me a nice concealer, but then you give me this. So the next product is the Trip for 2 Wander Beauty Duo. This is in daiquiri and what else? They think tanium? Yeah, tanum? Tulum. That's what it's in. This is the deepest one. The packaging is really, really nice. It comes with a mirror. Oh, that was the palette. The palette's like, show me. You opened this one, but you didn't show me. Oh, sugar honey. Okay, it comes with a mirror. And it comes with these shades that I could both use as blushes. But am I using that as a bronzer? No. Like, I could both use this as blushes. Will I use it? No, because I just bought 2 blush palettes. And because I bought 2 blush palettes, I don't need this. So why? My color and then the bronzer. Like, why? Why Boxycharm? Why? Okay. This retails for $36. And then we have a $21 lipstick that is like light. You could have got this or the exfoliator. I really like the exfoliator than this. I was really hoping for the exfoliator. Now I gotta buy it on Mercari. I'm about to sell these both on Mercari, by the way. This is the Manna Kadar Lip Whip. This is in the shade Dream. I wanted the deeper shade. If not, then I wanted the Grande mascara, because you could have got this or two other mascaras. But I got these two. These two is stuff that I'm not going to be using. So, yeah. So the full value of my box is $223.99. Did I get my $25 worth? Yes, I did, because the concealer is $25. I did pick up the other palette, but I probably would have wanted to test this one out. And I would love to give my mom facials. I give my mom facials every single Sunday. It's like a mom and daughter thing, so that would be great. But basically, I just paid for the concealer because these two things is With the three things I'm going to use, which is these three things, the total value is $166.99, so it did go over the 125 mark for the stuff that I like. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great day, have a great night whenever you're watching this. And if you like Boxycharm and you like Boxycharm unboxings, give this a thumbs up. Also, my link will be down below. I don't get money from this. I just get charms, which when you sign up, you will get charmed, and also you will get an extra product. That's the stuff that they do. I don't get any benefits, but if you would like to sign up for Boxycharm with my link, it will be down below. And if you want to just hit me up on my social media, it'll be down below. And don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button if you like this, and have a good day, and have a better day than me, because this is my Boxycharm. I'm just happy that I got the concealer. Anyways, bye you guys. Mwah.